Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change payment method on Play Store. So let's get started. First, head over to the Google Play Store on your phone. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then click on Payments and Subscriptions. Then Payment Methods. Here, you'll be able to see all the payment methods on your account. Keep in mind you need to have 2 or more added to your account in order to change your payment method. Once you have 2 or more payment methods added to your account, you will be able to change the payment method once you are purchasing something using your Google Play account. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.